Hi vlog! So welcome to a very fresh content. Today, I am meeting some friends from college. It's been 3 years since last kami nagkita. So, andito tayo ngayon sa coffee spot. This is our location. So, I don't know kailan ko ma-upload ang vlog na to, but it is scheduled for July. It's only June 15 ngayon kasi yung exposure ng vlog ko and other content sa page will be for my Taiwan trip para sulit na lahat. So, kanina sobrang ulan, basang-basa yung damit ko, kaya ako magbe-blazer kasi mukhang basa pa. So, let's go now and meet them para makita nyo din sila sa contents ko. Hindi ko pa ata sila na feature. So, let's go now. Yikes! Ganda naman ng ano. Ayan. So, I hate the fact that basang-basa yung ano ko. Tanggalin ko na lang doon yung polo. Let's go now. Kasi late na tayo. Doon ako ng tubig. Let's go, guys. So, money, phone. Natin yung phone dyan. Text muna natin. So, let's go na, guys. Hindi ko alam saan sila, but let's go. Where? The feeling is mutual. Hello!
Okay, so voice takeover muna tayo. Just a little background. The last time I met these beautiful people was 3 years ago. So in this vlog, I will be featuring the moments and probably mag-express din ako ng mga magagandang memories and other things that happened in the past. So our friendship just started, randomly and all. But first, eto nga pala si Patrick. This is Ate Noor. So, si Patrick is his screen name. Ang name niya talaga is Noor Fadsri Abubakar. Ano ba yan? Nabubula ako. So, ayan. Si Ate Noor naman is Nuriati Sariol Kausal. Married na din si Ate Noor. So, ayan. This was a very spontaneous meet up as well. And, napag-isipan namin now, since gusto namin uminom ng kape, sa coffee shop na lang. So, kita nyo dito, I was trying to request na palamigin nga yung place kasi wala yung aircon. So, ayan, I'm just really enjoying this voiceover at this point. Napaka-spontaneous din ng content na ito. I mean, this very voiceover, but thank you for being here and watching this. So, ayun, with our time catching up, this was Patrick's treat. So, Patrick, if you're watching this, thank you for this very special coffee treat. It really means a lot. Ganito pala yung feeling ng nililibre, no? So, salamat. Also, ayun, it's just a matter of catching up and updating each other after 3 years, guys. So, imagine nyo yun, after 3 years kami nagkita, amazing ng feeling kasi ang dami din nangyari sa loob ng 3 years. As for me, my graduation, the things that are ahead of me, and sa kanila, mga separate career promotions nila and their current ganap in life. So, ayun, Patrick is basically interested also in content creation, just feeling happy about his youth and the life he's living now. Kaya naman ang cool ng kanyang hair color dyan, pero sabi niya he would swear to change his hair color kasi nga syempre teacher pa rin siya at the end of the day. Si Ate Noor naman is currently on a very busy time with her family, with her family kasi sabi niya this season daw magiging mommy duties daw talaga siya kay baby Gazi. So ayun, ang daming mga different perspectives din na nakuha ko for today, and it was a very humbling moment and a time to really have a good catch up. So featuring here ang coffee spot kasi nga ito yung nearest and ito yung napag-desisyon na nila saan pumunta. So ayan,
mas malamig dun, no?
Food option.
Ito lang. Kasi nakakuan ka din, siguro. Guys, gusto niyo na with sugar sa inyo?
With no sugar po.
Ikaw din.
Here, they have cakes. Bavaria. I don't know anong bestseller. It's my first time din dito. Here, guys.
Fries.
Si Patrick ko. Libre daw niya. So, yan guys, you can see we're just waving and enjoying our time here. It has been very crazy lately with life, but at least this is such a good pause kung saan ay wala lang, you just meet your friends over coffee, talk about life and all. So, by the way, just to share a little, naka-mount yung camera ko dito sa isang metal platform. Tapos meron akong adapter or like a mount as well for my DJI kung saan nilalagay ko lang. That's why all the angles that you see na ganito ang feature is basically dinikit ko lang yan siya sa portion ng mga metal areas sa places na makita ko. So I started this kind of shots from my Taiwan trip and it has been very cool as well. I really like the outcome of it. Napaka-natural and also ibang angle, hindi lang nakadikit sa kamay ko ang camera and iba. So, 'di ba? It's really good to also experiment at some point. And here, kahit na nakatayo kami, you can see we're just really enjoying laughing over things. And natatawa kami kay Patrick kasi dito, magsha-shades lang daw siya para mysterious. So, ang kulit talaga. Like, you know, you can just be yourself around people ba? So, ako naman, I don't know, napaka-formal ko pa rin kahit saang anong mangyari. And we've been talking about things na nag-happen sa college. Kinamusta din namin yung iba naming classmates na kasama nila, ni Ate Nor or ni Patrick. Yun nga, ang dami ding nalaman and all. Sabi ko, ba't hindi ko alam yung kwento na yan? Kasi nga daw napaka-busy ko bilang president and governor during that time. So, diba, tawang-tawa talaga ako sa pambubuli nila sa akin. So, here, paakyat kami kasi medyo mainit nga talaga sa baba and we want a different view. So, ano na din to guys, no? Side trip na din ng review natin ng coffee spot. So, initial impression ko, syempre, of course, given the view that you can see sa videos ko, dito, we have our very aesthetic vibe. Yan, ang ganda ng architecture and designing niya, interior and exterior wise. Wow. But disclaimer, hindi ako expert sa mga architect na yan. Gusto ko lang yung terminology. So, ayan, we stayed here sa second floor. Kulang pa naman yung tao and so far, people have a good ethic of entering coffee shops here. Hindi naman sila sumisigaw. Likewise, kami din, tahimik din, minding our own business. So, food here, you can see, we were first served our desserts and our coffee. Of course, I'm choosing hot coffee here. And hindi ako masyado into cake. So, I have no right to really like comment or review on this food that they actually have as a cake. Pero so far for me, as a non-sugar person, okay talaga yung sweetness niya. So, ito naman, kwento-kwento na naman tayo resume featuring the beautiful coffee. So, ayan. And, ayun, it was a very long hour na hindi namin na-feel that we have to go home already. So, meaning, nag-enjoy talaga kami sa time namin. And here guys, we were served our food. Ayan, ang laki-laki talaga ng serving ng food nila. Hindi ko alam paano to, pero naubos naman namin while talking. Yun lang, may natira pa talaga. So, ganun kalaki guys ang serving nila dito. And yes, it's pricey, not very. It's pricey for its standing, but yun nga, sabi ko nga, malaki kasi yung serving. So, it's still worth the expenses at some point, diba? Coffee review, yes, okay siya. Okay, I mean, ang timpla, yung init and all, medyo nabitin lang kami maliit kasi mahaba nga yung kwentuhan. We could have ordered something bigger pa kung meron sanang available. So, hindi ako conscious sa sizes kasi nga, it was Patrick who ordered, but coffee taste-wise, it was also good. The food was also so good. Kahit carbonara, I'm actually not tolerant of lactose or any mga magatas, etc. But I felt good naman. Okay naman din talaga. Meaning, good ang ingredients nila. So, ayun, and more catching up. You can just see it in this portion of the vlog. I hope you're enjoying it. And yeah, give me a comment down below if you've reached this portion of the vlog.
kung ano yung gift sa inyo kasi Karil have everything. I know.
Wow.
She's the women of the hour.
Di mo kaluman. Thank you, Kaka Nur.
Ikaw naman.
Future attorney.
I-open na ba namin yung
Hindi.
Okay na, bay na lang.
Thank you, Kak Nur. Alhamdulillah.
Review mo.
Kinukuha ko na lang.
Nag-effort po talaga siya ngayon.
Supervisor.
Hindi po. Dapat future, ayaw ko maging supervisor. Then future rich person na. Para in general.
So, magamit mo din ini bago mag-compre na.
Ay, calculator.
Highlighter.
Ballpen? Ballpen to?
Joke.
Thank you, Kak Nur. Thank you. Thank
Pero sana
you.
ballpen to. Sana ballpen talaga to. Para...
Chika. Possible pa niya.
Guys.